Okay, welcome to afternoon coffee time. And you know what I have in my cup? I had coffee in my cup with no sweet and low and no creamer. But, however, I do have you know what in this cup, folks. So, I hope you have your coffee and your tea, your water, and drink along with me because I'm going to show you something here in a minute. Mmm, that tastes good. Now, you know, um, I've been painting for many years, and I have years of experience. And some of y'all had never seen this painting before. Uh, they're really not called pictures; they're more called paintings. And so I'm gonna turn this camera around, and I'm gonna show y'all what I had painted. Y'all see that painting right there? Okay, now I put that up on my community post. Up right there, you see it? Okay, well that is a painting that I did in class. Took me probably about, I would say maybe close to 2 hours to do that one in class. Many years ago. And took that class when my mom was still living. And it is a beautiful painting. I mean, it's just real pretty. Um, 16, 16 by 20 canvas. And those are background bushes. And then you see the water right down there in the waterfall. It's just a beautiful painting. And yes, anyway, so I've been painting for, oh goodness, how many years I've been doing that? Um, I think I've been, I don't know. I don't know how long I've been doing it, but it all started um, when I took art in school. Okay, so when I took art in school, in elementary school, I did arts and crafts. You know, I did stuff like pot holders, basket weaving, pottery, and so anyway, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Um, but it's also a lot of hard work too. And you know, I had a real good teacher and all that. You know, helped me back in the days. And you know, my dad never did get to see me uh, paint. He never did see my paintings, but mom did though. My mom got to see my paintings and but anyway, it's a real nice painting and I always enjoy doing it because the Father is the one that gives me the talent to do it. So I give him all the glory. So he's the one that gave me the talent to do this. And if you have the ability, okay, if you have the ability and the know-how, then you be able to do that kind of stuff. But um, to you have to have the know-how and the ability to be able to do that. You just don't pick up a paintbrush and say, "Hey, I'm gonna be an artist." You have to devote some practice time when it comes to painting. But anyway, I just thought y'all like to see that one, and so I enjoy doing that. And then, anyway, okay, that's it on at the coffee time. I don't know what else I'll be doing today. I have to think. But anyway, y'all subscribe and like and ring my bell so you will be notified for when I am doing videos. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for drinking coffee with me too. Bye now.